Good wonderful morning, everybody. The ranger's in the clouds. Can't even see the flagpole. She's sniffing. There's somebody crawling all over this car. It smells interesting. Actually, I think it might be cow poop. And so that set of lights up there, you see, that's near High Street. I lost somebody. That's near High Street shopping centre. Turn right and you go down a little bit. And you get to High Street Shopping Centre, which is a fairly decent sized shopping centre, but there's not a lot there. It's more it's a fish and chip shop. There's a supermarket, but it's expensive. It's an independent one, which is why it's expensive. A bottle shop. What else is there? Can't remember. I've only been there a couple of times. I think twice is it, and that's it. There's no need to go there. As I say, it does have the independent supermarket, but that's all. We didn't go for a walk yesterday. It was just way too hot. Well, it was hot, but it was also sunny. So I had the air conditioner on all day. So for this girl, she spent the whole day inside pretty much. So now we're outside and you can see she's huffing and puffing. Because it's a degree hotter today, this morning, but at least today we've got cloud cover so far. I just got to get her home before the sun comes out. Oh, somebody left their nice gloves out here. Emerson Park. No dog walkers out, but maybe it's too early. It is 5:45, so it might be a bit too early to be out. But it is also very hot to be out, so maybe people aren't coming out because it's just too hot. There's no water around here, and I don't have water on me, because as you can see we're on the long leash, which means short walk. It's a short walk. I do have a water bowl, but I just don't have any water. So if worst comes to worst, I can just raid a tap. I can, the toilet's here or something. That little birdie wants a drink too. Poor little birdie thirsty. Little noisy miner saying, "This fountain is not working, how do you get the fountain to work?" And she's found water. So, because they've got a bottle refill thing often on the sides, and so I'll go and get this thing some water because she's thirsty. I'll leave you to it, everyone. Have a fantastic day. I'll catch you later.